Hi everybody, I was just gonna let you know what I was cooking today. It's pretty early, but I just put it in the crock pot, and it's like a piece of chuck roast, and when I read the recipe it said it was similar to like a chipotle meat option, so I wanted to see if it was good. And right now it's in here. It's just got a lot of seasonings, onion. It has paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, some vegetable broth, and I chopped up that onion because I ran out of onion powder and I didn't want to open the new one. But we'll see how it is. It's gonna take a few hours, but I'll let you know how it goes. What are you doing, T? A little chef hanging out with me, huh? And of course, since I was already hungry, I'm making some cute little pancakes. I should have put the cutest one on top. Pancake. Okay, so I just flipped it. You can see I had braised it so it's like darker on the sides, but we'll see how it comes out. Okay guys, so it's been like 8 hours and it's pretty much done. I shredded it up in there. It was really easy. It fell apart with the spoon. We'll see how it tastes on the tacos later. Okay, so right now I'm grilling up some onion and peppers with some veggies to put on top. I'm cutting up some tomato and have some lettuce. I'm gonna use these tortilla bowls. It's just like a big taco. And I shredded up my lettuce. Just put in my burrito bowl thing. The veggies are almost done. They look really good.
Because all the onions are already in here, like pretty much disappeared. Like all the moisture disappeared. And now it's like delicious, creamy, wonderful, juicy. Salutations. All this audio is gonna cut. The lost footage. Lost taste. Actually, so good. That's what I mean. Like, you know, you just scoop out and all the flavors already in there. Like Anna said, it's creamy, wonderful, and delicious. Should I turn it off then? Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start assembling the taco.
One pepper.
Yes.
On May 19th, 2020, Johnson & Johnson announced it will discontinue selling its
Two peppers. Yeah, just two.
thousands of lawsuits.
The burrito bowls are so cute.
60% decline in 2017, and 3 other verdicts totaling over $614 million. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with ovarian cancer after regular use of Johnson & Johnson baby powder for feminine hygiene,
You always go double lettuce. Tomatoes.
how do you fight for the compensation you deserve? Choose the right legal team that has the experience and resources to get you the most compensation for your injuries.
Cheese. Sour cream. Oof, gotta mix it.
Mix it.
It's all watery. You gotta mix sour cream.
Just sprinkle the juice on top.
That's like when you get ketchup and you squirt it and it's just the water.
Yeah, it's just flavored water.
It's healthy.
Mm-hmm. It's ketchup without the calories.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna see how it tastes. It's a little messy. It is better than chipotle. If you guys want to see, I'm gonna put the recipe in the link in the description. Thanks for watching.